Hello everyone, today I'm going to analyze NTA NET Home Science paper of December 19. So let's get started. So the first topic is Nutrition and Dietetics, and from this topic 6 questions have come from nutrients, their composition, functions and deficiency. One question has come from clinical and therapeutic nutrition, one question come from nutritional assessment, and one question was there from the public health nutrition. And for the upcoming examinations, obviously the different functions and the deficiencies that are associated with different types of nutrients, RDA, the values of RDA, different types of nutritional assessment techniques, along with that the therapeutic nutrition, dietary management, all these questions have become very important. The next topic is food science and food service management, and from this topic 2 questions were there from food processing, one question was there from preservation, one question from hazard analysis and critical control point, and one question have come from the additives. And for the upcoming examinations, the names and different types of preservatives, different types of food processing techniques, along with that various food preservations techniques have become very important. The next topic is textiles, and there were 2 questions related to the manufacturing process, 2 questions related to the fabric construction, and one question was there from the textile finishes and the traditional textiles of India. And for the upcoming examination, various different types of physical and the chemical properties of the different types of fibers, as well as the fabric construction processes, yarn manufacturing processes, different textile finishes, and the traditional textiles of India have become important. The next topic is apparel designing, and here 2 questions were there from the equipments and the tools that are used for manufacturing garments. So special emphasis should be given on the machinery and the different parts of sewing machine, along with the threads or the types and the characteristics of threads that are used in the garment manufacturing process. And there were 2 questions related to the elements and the principles of the designs and its applications. The next topic is resource management and consumer issues, and here approximately 10 questions have come from management, like theories of management, certain general concepts that are associated with the management. So here basically theories like Haysberg's motivational and hygiene theory, equity theory, functional theory, social exchange theories have become very important. 2 questions were there related to the human resource management, like types of resources, like basic pays and compensation. There's also a question related to appraisal tools, and there's one question related to the consumer protection. The next topic is housing and interior designing, and surprisingly in this paper 4 questions have come from the designing fundamentals, various rules and regulations that are associated while designing and building. One question was there from building regulation, and one question was there from space planning and designing. So in case of housing and interior designing, there are various types of abbreviations are there which need to be prepared for the upcoming examinations. The next topic is the child and human development. 2 questions were there from the principles of growth and development. So here newborn reflexes become very important. 3 questions were there related to the theories of human development. 2 questions were there from the early childhood care and education, and these questions were quite applicative and easy to answer. And there's one question related to children at risk, that is like juvenile justice acts. The next topic is family studies, and there were questions related to dynamics of marriage and family relationships, like matrilocal or patrilineal systems, which were commonly seen in the ancient India. The next topic is communication for the development, and there are two questions related to Aristotle theories of communication. Next topic is extension management and community development. There were two questions related to the extension methods and materials, like 2D, 3D materials that are commonly used in extension management or extension education. There's one question related to the Bloom's taxonomy of the educational objectives and learning, and four applicative questions were there from the community development, which are quite applied and moderate to answer. Along with this, special emphasis should be given on the topics related to research, different types of research, parametrics and non-parametric tests, sampling techniques, various methods that are used in conducting research have become very important. And for the upcoming NTA papers, emphasis should be given on the nanotechnology, like use of the nanotechnology both on the food processing and on the textiles. And there's no question in this paper regarding sports nutrition. So again, sports nutrition have become very important for the upcoming papers. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.